Plat 55 is a platinum-based silicone rubber mixed 10-to-1 by weight. With a 45-minute work time and a shore hardness of 55, it's great for two-piece molds that require great stability, dimensionality, and durability. After creating your mold box, weigh out the base amount that you need. Add the catalyst using 1/10 of the total weight of the base. Mix thoroughly until the color is a consistent blue without any swirls. Plat 55 needs to be degassed in a vacuum chamber for best results. Pour Plat 55 into the lowest part of your mold, avoiding pouring over the part directly if possible. Plat 55 is ready to demold after just 12 hours and is fully cured in 7 days.